should video how to make it.
And that's what Sam's doing.
Oh.
Then, what do you want in sushi?
Definitely avocado.
Okay, so avocado.
Yeah.
Cucumber.
Sure. Alright, well, how about we just say what we want so that we're not messing everything up, Ash?
Okay. I put the stuff out anyway.
Alright.
So there's avocado,
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
what else is there?
There's
There's
tuna.
salmon, tuna.
Too green?
Do you like salmon?
I do actually.
I don't.
I quite like it.
I don't.
It's delicious.
Smoky flavour.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Wish you could smell it. Like this.
We can put some of this.
Do you have
More.
What are we after?
Oh, here.
I grabbed a fork.
Oh.
Tuna.
And that's 2 flavours in there with your special sauce. Then this one is lemon and cracked pepper.
Movie?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Then
I thought that was to roll it on that.
yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, good.
As you push to here,
And then squeeze it. Yeah.
Yeah. squeeze it
Oh,
like this.
she used her mat because it was bigger.
Oh, that's not as big.
No,
Oh.
it's tiny.
Is it really?
Yes,
Mm.
it is tiny.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah. Sushi.
Oh, I got it.
Then
How cool is that?
I think you cut it.
yeah.
Yes.
Cut it in half or quarters.
Well,
Or-
here, if we buy a pack, they're thin slices.
I remember having sushi once. It was at the shops. And it looked just like that.
Yes. Done.
And it does look like that, doesn't it?
Oh, where's cucumber? Yeah, like this, please. Not good looks,
So they're supposed to look pretty.
but taste is, I think, good.
Yep.
Yeah, please try.
And then